Welcome to my channel IELTS Catalyst Ahmedabad. Today we'll look out a task 2, IELTS writing task 2. Students are asked to work short time without pay as part of their education. Is this has more of advantages or disadvantages to students and company? So there are two-part questions. Actually, it is a advantages is a disadvantages type, and we have to state the opinion as well. Let us first look at the layout of an essay. It has four body paragraph. That is, first one will be introduction. We have to paraphrase the question, and in body paragraph 1 we have to state pros and cons for student, and in second body paragraph we have to state pros and cons for companies, and in last paragraph, that is conclusion paragraph, we have to summarize all the points mentioned above, plus we have to state our opinion, because this question asks advantages and disadvantages and as well as your opinion on this development. So let us begin with first introduction paragraph. As a part of final year graduation, the pupils are recommended to work as volunteers in various companies before completing their degrees. This trend is becoming immensely popular among students. It also has few merits as well as demerits, and I state my opinion at the end. So I am paraphrasing the given question, okay, in my own words, and I am saying that my opinion will be stated in the conclusion paragraph. Next is the first body paragraph. Major benefits students gain by doing unpaid work is valuable practical exposure. Concepts which they have learned in theory are applied in real world situations, thus enhancing their knowledge and confidence. For instance, according to a report published in Times Magazine recently reveals an amazing fact that over 70% of recruits have undergone prior practical jobs. Hence, Human Resource Department prefers to hire candidates which have some degree of practical knowledge. So this was my first point which was supported by an example. So another positive point is undergraduates have excellent opportunities to work with experts in their respective fields and consider them as a role model to get inspiration to reach an apex in their professional life. The only drawback I could think of is some companies might exploit these workers for their personal benefit. Okay, so in the same paragraph, I have mentioned the benefits as well as some demerits or drawbacks for students. Now we'll move on to next body paragraph. Now over here we'll be discussing the benefits as well as demerits for companies. The primary plus point for organizations could receive is they get an extra helping hand, which will reduce some amount of workload from their staffs. As it is unpaid work, companies will save few funds which can be utilized for other development work. Besides, firms might hire some brilliant students as their permanent employees, which will boost their productivity by selecting the right candidate. On the darker side, firms have to appoint an instructor to train and to look after them daily. Moreover, safety is also an issue for them which they have to take care of. Next, final conclusion statement or paragraph. In conclusion, the phenomenon of working in organizations without remuneration for some time proves to be mutually beneficial. So, I'm saying that though it has benefit for both company as well as students. Despite a few drawbacks, it can be considered that the pros surely outweighs the cons. So, finally, my opinion is that though it has some drawbacks, but positive points are more. They are more immensely impacting. So, it is a good trend.